Alright guys, I feel like you're not watching my videos, making me super sad. You need to watch the videos. If I'm taking the time to make them, you need to watch them. Alright, this first problem is another substitution problem. So you're going to look at both of your equations and figure out if one of them has a letter you can easily solve for. So if I look at this top equation, I would have to not only subtract or add to move a variable out of the way, I'd also have to divide. But if I look at the second one, all I would need to do is move this 6x to the other side. So that seems much easier. So I'm going to subtract, 6y, not 6x. 6y to both sides, and I get x is equal to negative 6y minus 8. Going to put a box around that, and we'll use these two things since they are equivalent. We're going to use them in our substitution situation. Wherever I see the x, because x is equivalent to this binomial, I'm going to go into the equation I wasn't working. Wherever I see an x, I'm taking it out. Everything else on that equation stays identical. So I still have the 3 in front. I still have the minus 4y. I still have the equals 20. I did take the x out, and I'm going to replace it with this negative 6y minus 8. And as I now distribute, I get negative 18y minus 24 minus 4y equals 20. And I'm going to make this look prettier by absolutely combining like terms. I would add 24. This is just a two-step equation. So I get negative 22y, and that would be equal to 44, and that works out. Because when I do a little division, I'm going to get an integer answer. So as you're watching these videos, feel free to pause them, think about it, go back and replay it, listen to it again. I'm trying to find, I have that y, I want to find the x. So I'm using the box, that's the easiest. Negative 6 times negative 2 is 12. And 12 minus 8 is 4. So when x is 4, if I plugged it back in here, that'd be 12. And if y is negative 2, that would be a positive 8. And 12 plus 8 is 20. And if x is 4, that's 4. And then 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. So 4 minus 12 is negative 8. So I know my answer works. And then I'm just going to write it as an ordered pair. X's first, then y's. Again, that's called substitution. Substitution.